You're watching the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyajian. I'm Maria Bashardez. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson suffered a humiliating defeat in Parliament on Tuesday after 21 of his own MPs voted in favour of a cross-party bill that paves the way for a vote later today on whether the government should seek a 3-month extension to the Brexit date. Earlier in the day, the Prime Minister was dealt another blow when it lost its parliamentary majority after a Conservative MP defected to the Liberal Democrats. Soon after the defeat, Johnson confirmed that he will seek to hold a snap election on October 15th. However, it's looking unlikely that he will achieve the 2/3 majority he needs to trigger an early election, as the Labour Party have signaled they will not back the motion unless the government agrees to rule out a no-deal Brexit. The renewed push to prevent a chaotic exit from the EU lifted the battered pound yesterday, which had earlier plunged to a 3-year low. Cable extended its gains today as it became increasingly apparent that Boris Johnson will not be able to get his way in Parliament. Further aiding the pound's recovery was a drop in the US dollar, which came under pressure on Tuesday from a surprise contraction in manufacturing activity, according to the Institute for Supply Management's Purchasing Managers Index. The data fueled fears that the US economy is slowing fast and could be headed for a recession, boosting bets of more aggressive policy easing by the Federal Reserve. The dollar fell below the 106 level before rebounding above it, but its declines were more significant against other majors. The euro reversed from a 2-year low. However, the upside correction could have more room to run, as recent remarks from some ECB policymakers suggest a resumption of the bank's quantitative easing program is not a done deal. Another currency halting its slide against the greenback is the Canadian dollar, which yesterday slumped to 2.5-month lows on expectations that the Bank of Canada will switch to an easing bias at its meeting today. The BOC has so far refrained from flagging a rate cut, but a potential slowdown in the United States could make it difficult for it to stay neutral for long. The BOC will announce its decision at 1400 GMT, and any dovish shift is likely to pressure the loonie, cutting its rebound short. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for watching at XM.com.